Welcome everybody. I'm getting ready to do a dip. I'm spreading out some black paint, reusing a canvas. I think I'll use my brush or my palette knife actually, might be better. I'm going to do a bunch of different colors I have that I want to use up. Some leftover paints that are in little containers I need to use. So, so here we go. Have some more fun here. I just love doing this. I could sit down here all day. I don't think my husband would like that though. He might want his dinner. But he's pretty good. He doesn't usually bother me when I'm down here. He just lets me do what I want to do. I don't neglect him. I'll feed him. Sometimes he starts dinner on his own. All right. So I'm just gonna spread it away from the middle because the middle's gonna have a lot of paint anyway. Quite a bit of paint there. You can see everything in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna do random colors. So I've got some green. Now I can't really tell you what this green is. It's a couple of greens mixed together, so it kind of looks like a dark turquoisey green. So I'm just gonna do this. It's pretty. It's gonna be a wild and crazy one. Or it'll be a beautiful one. You never know what you're gonna get because it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Okay, so that's the green. I have this glamour dust deco art. It's called Turquoise Sparkle. It's a pretty one. So I just mixed it 1 part paint to half a part floetrol. I'm just going to swirl this around. The green I mixed up a while ago and I didn't mark it, so all right. I'm going to use some magenta. I have Quinacridone magenta, by Liquidex Basics. Maybe I'll just swirl this around. Those colors look nice together. Wow. Now I have Prussian blue, but I don't think I'm going to use it because it's very dark and I think it'll just disappear into that black. So I'm going to find another blue. Oh, I know. I'll use this one. I have light blue violet. I'll put a little of that in. All right, I'm back. My camera shut off, so I better hurry up and get this done before it shuts off again. All right, so I think I've got mostly all the colors down that I like. Oh, the white. I want to put some white. I have this Rustoleum white pearl. A bit more magenta. I think I'm good. I don't think I'm going to add any more. This purple was enough there. I was going to add some gray, but I don't think I will. All right. All right, and so now I'm gonna put my plastic on. Get my area tidied up a little more, and then I'm ready to go rid of this one. I didn't put any gold in this, but that's okay. Oh, I think I need gold. Where's my gold? I love gold and things. Okay. I got my plastic. It's just a plastic bag. All right, let's go. Come on. pretty good down here. Paper towels out of the way. There's not too many bubbles in here. I wonder what that is. It's a dry spot. I can touch that up later. All right, I'm back. I'm almost finished taping this down. When you tape it, just pull it taut. Okay, I think that should be good. I don't think I need to push anything down, really. I think everything's probably good. I hope it turns out good. This will be a surprise. All right, here it goes. Try and pull it up as straight as I can. Oh, wow. That's a lot of green, but it's pretty. I'm going to torch it. Ooh. A lot of the colors kind of sank into the, oh, my blue, that's what happened. The blue, oh, there's some right there. I'll hold it up for you. The blue kind of got buried a bit, but it's pretty. There you go. I love it. I think when it dries, it'll look different. The blue might shine more. There you go. Have a great day, everybody. I'm glad you came by for this one. Come back soon to my art room. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that when I do more, you'll be notified. All right? I'll take a picture of this. I'll put the dried results at the end. All right? Bye-bye.